I'll be right back. I have to go get my son. Yes, the red things. Stop. Do you see this?
We meet again. Hello, YouTube friends. My name is Joél from Boricua in the garden. I am growing in Texas, Zone 8A, and today we are going to go harvest my grocery store potatoes. I started this March 14th over on Instagram, and I've been meaning to actually harvest these a few times, but I just have not been able to get it together. Either it was raining or I'm working. I just haven't had time. So I am hoping that we are going to get a good harvest. I mean, I'll just be happy with anything at this point. This is the second time that I've done this. The first time was in 2020. I did them in some IKEA bags and I had to keep moving them and they just did not do very well. So if you see me doing this, I'm like swaying. Glad to have you here with me today. Let's go get in the garden. Let's go see what we got.
All right, let's see what we got. And if we don't get anything, it's absolutely my fault because I took too long to do this. Okay. Stop. Just stop. Do you see this? Do you see that? My hat is in the way. I can't even see me. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so tickled. Oh my gosh. Let me put them over here so you can see them. Look at that. I wonder if there's any more. Okay. There's a couple of jokes in there. Just a couple. Ugh. Ooh. What is that? It looks like the skin of, I don't know, something. One of them. And a whole bunch of bugs on it. Okay. Maybe those are the ones that we started off with. I don't know. This is my first time actually having success. Okay. This is what we got from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, if you count the little guys. I'll be right back. I have to go get my son. Isn't that cool?
The red thing?
Yes, the red things. Those are all the potatoes we grew in this one. Isn't that awesome? That is so cool. You gonna stay out here while I do the other two? Oh. Okay. I can't wear this hat anymore. I can't see anybody. Okay, I'm back. I had to get out of that hat. I could not see you guys at all. So we are on pot number 2. And let's see what we get. I was so excited. Okay, for the other ones. So let's see what these, how many we got on these. I actually planted the same exact potatoes in all of them, so there's no variety. It was just a beautiful experiment. Oh, I'm seeing papas. I'm seeing papas. Hey, no complaining here. I was just what are these bugs? What are these bugs? Are these what potato bugs look like? I think that's what they're called. Ugh, this is gross. Ew. The potatoes look good, so I'm not quite sure what these little bugs are. But I can't tell you how much I just want to get this soil back in this container real quick. They're just doing the most. Literally, they're just doing the most. I can't do. Okay. Oh my god. Y'all, being a gardener, you gotta be okay with bugs. I get that. But there's just some of them that I'm just like, ew. Ew. Okay. They look good. We got a couple little cherry tomato looking things. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just want to kind of squish it in here in case those bugs want to do something. They're not crawling on me. They're just kind of crawling in here. And that's just still too gross. Oh, it's so gross. Okay. Stop being a baby, Joelle. Stop being a baby. We cannot be a baby. Okay, it looks like that's all we got out of this one. Still not bad. I really gotta go look at, I gotta go ask Uncle Google what those bugs are. Did he just try to, ew. So not a bad harvest. Not a bad harvest at all. Let's go check out the last one. Let's see what we get on the last one. I think I just broke the pot. Yep, I just did. I don't know if that's going to be bueno. Now I'm all cautious because I don't want to see or touch those nasty bugs. Come on, girl. You can't be punking. You can't be acting like that. Let's go. Oh, I see some. I definitely see some. Well, some potatoes, not some bugs. Here's one right there. Oh, hey. Got a couple more little guys. I think those are potato bugs because they really just seem to be in the old potato. I'm just making up bug names. You know, I don't really know if that's a thing. Um, but it makes sense to me anyway. Look. So this one does have those same bugs, but not so far anyway, not like as much. Okay, don't know what that's about. That was that's what we grew. Well, that's what I put in the ground. In the pot. In the pot. Oh, it's a piece of dirt. Why am I acting so scary today? I don't even know. Let's see. That one's okay. Oh, that's a nice size. Okay. Oh, I'm convinced. I'm convinced that it is a bug that likes potatoes. Oh, like, seriously, is that like a thing? Somebody, tell me, please. Put it in the comments. Are potato bugs a real thing? Or am I just making up stuff? I think that's it. Oh, oh, one more. Okay, now that's it. I think it was a pretty good harvest. Let's clean all this up. We'll put everything together and we'll see what we got. That's it. There's our potato harvest. Not bad, right?
All right, so that's it. We did it. We grew grocery store potatoes that sprouted in my pantry, and we threw them in a pot and got a pretty good harvest. Let me know if I could have done anything better to get a better harvest. And I also want to know, do I have time to put in a second round? I have a pretty long growing season, so I'm able to do that. Let me know if that's going to be a good idea or not. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all the things. Thanks for being here with me in my garden harvesting my great potatoes. Where are they? Oh, there they go. I'll see y'all in the next one. Visit me over on Instagram for more updates on what's going on in the garden.